From all the places you could be, you don't want to find yourself in Ohio. But if you're already there, you need an escape plan. Something that will get you out of there. Ohio is a very hard to get out of place, but somehow you found a way out. You discovered that one of the border guards is an alien rapper, and you have decided to bargain him into letting you through in exchange for an alien beat he could rap on. Yep, ladies and gentlemen, this story is about me. I traveled to Ohio, like, what the fuck am I doing? From all the places you could be, you don't want to find yourself in Ohio. Gee, not now, please, get the hell out of here, not now. He sent me this alien rapping. I don't know what language this is, but it certainly has some groove to it, like. Because I have my microphone, so I just pull it out in the middle of like Ohio, and this is what Ohio sounds like. And I was just walking to my residency, and I just stumbled upon this random alien chicken. This is very new to me, like alien chickens. We're gonna start with this chicken. Speed this up and align these beginnings with the grid. Add groove to it. Push this so that it starts 3 grid lines before the next. Oh, this one sounds alien. Add LFO on this. Add tonality. So if I go here, transients. So now, some effects. Frequency shifter. Corpus. We need like, wow. This track is good. Get rid of the shifter. Make this slower. So when we do this. Oh. Oh, okay, okay. Let me get this straight. Okay, so we can add sub here. That's cool, so I want to keep this rhythm and I want to add some tonality to this. Add some effects before. That's cool for the second part. Oh. Oh, hell yes. So we can add some fills right here using the newest super heavy power drum fills, simple block. Oh yes, also add a few classic things like a pre-kick sweep. Makes it super heavy, and as we all know, everybody likes super heavy. So we need a fill here. Duplicate this, get rid of these, get rid of this, get rid of this. If I add infiltrate, Jesus, get the hell out of here. I'm producing here for your aliens. Get the hell out of here. What are you looking at? Get the hell out of here, I'm saying. Jesus flippin' Christ. Back to producing. Don't get distracted by these morons. That's quite not cool. Hold on a second, we could actually duplicate this. Put a fill right here. Maybe like a slower one instead. We get this. Dun, dun. Hell yeah. Oh, hell yes. But switch the preset here. Oh, hell yeah. What do we add here? Guitar? Does aliens like guitar? Okay, ad-lib. Let's see if we can ad-lib this. Oh, maybe at the end here, because that's just too much elements, and this guitar sounds solo pretty nice. And we need some switch up here, so I think we can just make it easy, and we can just keep duplicating these things and adding effects before. So like in this place, infiltrator. Oh, oh, this is gonna be for later. Let's just add something different here. See, like this is one of the best techniques. Like you just create some processing chain and then you use like an effect chain at the beginning, or you replace the initial sound, and that gives you completely new random sound. So Infiltrator is great for this because you can randomize this. Yeah, I think that's like slight touch at the end is gonna give enough of variation for it to transition better. Slap all these effects onto it and see what it does. Duplicate the whole section, get rid of this. So here's gonna be a switch up. For sure this cannot play here. Okay, that's cool, but I'd like to have only... Oh, we can use Sooth for that. Okay, go Delta now. Detail, kinda. We need to utilize this monster. I think he may just flip and love it. You can use drum fills as like ear candy fills, so like if you chop the drum fill. Am I Skrillex now? So put this, we need sidechain from this. I think there's some distortion going on because like the red clipping, that sounds actually good. So let's just put a clipper at the end. Okay, so I want a different one here. We have this, so I'm just gonna type metal, and if I do this, because it's filtered, it's gonna choose 2 metal sounds. And you can get really nice fills really quickly. So now I think it's time for our main guest. Come on this beat. Okay, so Ohio Alien Rap, ladies and gentlemen. So just make it a rhythm here. Here we go. That's not all. He rapped also right there. There's the version number 2. Man, he's gonna flip and love it. He's gonna lose his mind. Everything so that's like damn. His voice has such a big dynamic range that we just need to smack this with a limiter. You see how big of bumps there are? Oh, actually just compress that with the compressor with Luca had. Peak. Well, it's gonna be easier to control. Jesus Christ. What if I put here like a Skrillex yoink? That's pretty cool. Oh my god, my head hurts so much. What are you doing here again? Get out! Get out! Stop coming here! Get out! Leave! Okay, so we need to minimalize this. So we probably don't need this, but instead it goes down. This sounds so cool. It connects with this one very well, like so this is the first one, can be, but later it's too cluttered. Take this and do something with this. Just add auto pan. Do the rate automation. Yeah, but a different sweep. Okay, so we're not done yet. You may be thinking like, oh, but like you almost did the whole track, right? Like, what are you talking about? So let's design a little bit of the intro kind of deal going on. So Ohio landscape, obviously. Duh, what the hell? And this is gonna be as a pre-drop vocal.
From all the places you could be, you don't want to find yourself in Ohio.
So the telephone, right?
From all the places you could be, you don't want to find yourself in Ohio.
This is warped, and that's why it works.
From all the places you could be, you don't want to find yourself in Ohio.
Yeah, we need that compressor right here too.
From all the places you could be, from all the places you could be.
What is it gonna sound like if I change the preset here? Background kind of filler, maybe? Because we're using corpus and shifter to tune this, no matter what effect there is on it, we're still adding tonality and melody. It's gonna be the same. Oh, this gives sick ambience. For the transition, add a brass. Ta-da-da. Tune everything. We need an impact. There we go. See, like how it connects?
From all the places you could
Oh,
be.
this could be such a good thing here.
From all the places you could be, you don't want to find yourself in Ohio.
Oh, hell yeah. Okay, so leave something, but delete something so there's space for this vocal.
From all the places you could be, you don't want to find yourself in Ohio.
I'm just gonna make it easy. See which one works. That works. We need something for transition here. I think he's gonna... What is this pad here? He's gonna love this, some laughter here. He looked like a nice guy, he will enjoy some laughter here. This is kind of lacking, some mid stuff, so... but it has to be ta da ta ta da ta ta. Da 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 da. So good. Try adding some perks right here for some transition, because like the drums don't change at all. Yes. Can't really hear this, but without it's empty. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, are you ready to preview the Ohio quintessential song special from an alien rapper from Ohio? In Ohio. Hopefully, once I show this track to him, he will be like, yes, bro, this is insane, blowing my mind, I love it so much. Here, I open the gate for you. Come at night, midnight, where the moon is shining. Hide in the bushes. Make sure no one detects you, and I will let you go through, and you will go home. Hope he says this, so let's just see if it's good now.
From all the places you could be, you don't want to find yourself in Ohio. From all the places you could be, you don't want to find yourself in Ohio.
Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah. You don't want to find yourself in Ohio. Well, it's so true. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that's it for this video. Hope you liked it. Hope you didn't like it. What? Do not come to Ohio at all costs. If you're planning trip to Ohio, are you crazy? Are you nuts? Stop what you're doing. Do not go to Ohio. Let's just hope for the best. So please give me good wishes. And yeah, when I'm come back home, I will do more videos. Yeah, so I hope you liked this video and hope you learned something. If you want to watch some crazy other stuff, check out this video right here. I show you how to make Harry Potter drill right now. Everybody's playing Hogwarts Legacy, so you can watch me here make a Harry Potter drill. Check out oversample.us if you're looking for sounds, paid and free. Choose whatever you like. And have a great day. Happy producing, happy Valentine's Day, and see ya in the next one. From all the places I could be, it's just fucking Ohio, man. Why did I have to end up in the fucking Ohio, man?